Welcome back, broskies and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our reaction channel, bro. If this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny content. We chill, just want to have a nice time and just be on some positive vibes, and all that. But if this is not your first time, though, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for fucking with me. I fuck with you too. Hey, I just want to say, bro, this video right here might be the make it or break it for this channel, bro, because this might get me canceled, bro. I don't know, but it's nothing crazy, bro. Feel me? Because for some reason I found this video on YouTube and I was like, this could be funny to react to. So that means if y'all seen this video right now, so that means I decided to like put the video out because I found it funny. But it could go left though, you feel me? Because some people might find it offensive, and this is a young channel. We've been we are a year old. We're almost at 500 subscribers. If you want to subscribe, by the way, make sure to do that and join the family. But yeah, let's see. When gays get sent to jail, I have no idea what to expect from this video. Could be funny, could be cringe, I don't know, but we're gonna find out, bro. I'm just as curious as you are right now. The video's got about 1 million views, so probably some of you might have seen it before, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just like intrigued, you feel me? So let's see what the video is all about, bro. Oh, I'm kind of scared though. I won't lie, bro, because I don't want this channel to be fucked with. You feel me?
You want it?
All is dirty.
Listen, if you continue to be
wait, my bad. He said the wall is dirty. Okay.
You want it?
All is dirty.
Listen, if you continue to be disruptive,
But I'm bored out there. What am I gonna do?
Offensive T.
you been here before?
No.
What was your last name?
I've never been in jail before.
Okay, but what is your name?
Hi. Hi. So you've never been here before?
Never been in jail before, and I'm really scared because I don't know who these people are.
Bro, why is he smiling like that, bro? He thinks he's in a beauty commercial or something, bro. Why is he smiling like that, bro? Who goes to jail and smile like this, bro? That's crazy, man.
Put your hands up here.
So why did they arrest you, sir?
I got arrested for driving under the influence.
Okay.
But then ask your officer why he arrested me because I'm not under the influence.
No? Okay.
I'm under the piss influence. Yeah.
Bro,
How many drinks did you have last night?
At 2.
2, that's it? 2 really big ones?
2 regular ones.
Is that a hater mark on your neck or is that a bruise?
Let's just say I'm really popular.
what?
Am I gonna be in like a jail with like a lot of like ghetto people?
You're in jail.
He said we ghetto people, bro. That's crazy. They asked him if he was driving under the influence. He said he was driving under the pissed influence. That's crazy. Okay, bro. Damn.
Am I gonna be with these people?
Duh.
I'm like scared. I don't want like these guys to like me, and I don't want to become like pregnant when I come out of jail and everything.
Unless you have a
Nah, this guy is crazy, bro. Is he actually gay though, or is he just playing? He said he don't want to be raped, the R word, and he don't want to get pregnant. Yeah. You see, I need to be careful, bro, because nowadays, yeah, I think I'm gonna hold my thought to myself, bro, because these days, if you say everything you want to say, you get canceled, bro. So like, I'm not where I want to be yet, so I gotta be careful. Well, he said he gonna get pregnant if he gets raped. So yeah, I'm not speaking on that, bro. I'm not Dave Chappelle. I don't got the platform to speak like that. You feel me? So I ain't finna bring no negative attention to myself, bro. Nah, but he said he's gonna get pregnant. That's funny.
uterus, I don't think you're getting pregnant.
Okay, perfect. That's all that matters. Officer Gosser, can I have a tissue?
Go in the bathroom.
I don't want to go to the bathroom.
Okay, then wait till they come out. Public bathroom, sir.
Bruh. Bruh.
I have let me know my chain there too.
Okay. You have to find a way.
Just he can never not be gay for 5 seconds. I'm just like, can you not be gay for 5 minutes?
Bro.
It's gonna go downhill like I told you earlier, okay?
Wow. Hey, people.
Is that him? That's him, right? Is that him, bruh? Nah, that's not him, bro. The hairline is different. Can't be him.
You want it?
All is dirty.
Listen, if you continue to be disruptive,
But I'm bored out there. What am I gonna do?
you're gonna sit in there like everybody else.
That's boring. No one wants to do
Well, sir,
that.
Bro, what the hell is going on, bruh?
Officer Gosler.
You're right, sit right. Hey, come on. Right, now be quiet.
What's going on?
Madrid. Stop being mean to me. Madrid, seriously, you're being mean to me, and like you're the one that I can't
Actually, you
do.
know what?
Like,
I'm being very nice to you.
While we were walking.
Electric chair.
Bro, hey, what? Nah, bro. Why they do homeboy like that, bro? They have to flipping tie him down to a chair. That's crazy, bro. Yo, nah, I feel like he's just overdoing it, bro. I don't know gay people who act like this, bro. Gay people, they be usually like calm in certain situations, bro. But he just like overdoing it, bro. He's overdoing it, bro. He's just like he's just being weird with it, bro. Yeah.
you guys have your work cut out for you tonight.
Yo, they had to go put him in the corner. Like, go. You know how if you're a parent, your kid is being really disruptive. You'd be like, go to the corners, bro. They put this guy, he's facing the wall and sitting down, literally. Yeah, what the hell, bro? What the hell, bro? Hey,
5 minutes later.
Madrid, you're here. I miss you. Where have you been all my life?
Patrick.
Don't look at my toes.
Can you be quiet, please?
There you go. Turn.
how are they keeping a straight face, bro? I could never.
It's fine. Have a seat right there.
I could never keep a straight face, bro. I would bust out laughing, bro.
Sit back down.
I'm sorry.
Oh. Yo, that's the most crazy, funny, awkward video, cringe video I've ever seen, bro. Hey, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, bro, that's the end of the video. Damn, what the hell is wrong with bro? I want to know what happened to him at the end. Did he get released? Did he get sent to like to not a jail, but to like prison? I don't know. Yeah, I would have loved to see like the full video of that. But that was actually crazy, bro. That was funny as fuck. Nah, that was actually funny as hell, bro. But yeah, man. I don't think I would get canceled for this video, bro. Like, come on now. It was for fun. We just laughed, bro. You laughed, I laughed, so we good. So I think I'm gonna upload this video, so everything is good. Yeah. Thank you guys for checking out this video, bro. This was awkward and random. I know, but I laughed. It's super early in the morning. This was the first video that I had to react to today. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video, bro, and we are out. Peace.